Hi everyone. This is my preferred method of sealing the globes, especially if we've got latex that we're putting inside it. You can see I've got one of our transparent globes and I've inserted a range of balloons in, 260s and 5-inch. The final balloon I'm just going to insert into the neck and I'm going to inflate it. But I'm not going to tie. I'm just going to pull that neck out of the way and inflate the main balloon. You can see once it's in there, like when we do double stuffing, it's blocking the escape of any helium at the moment. Twist the balloon a few times, just so I'm not worried about letting go of anything. And then I can use this latex neck to seal where the actual globe material is, right by the inflated balloon. So as I'm tying that knot in there, I'm sealing both balloons, like so. A very, very quick, simple seal solution. We do it with the feathers as well. We just use it to seal the neck of the balloon with that and then pull that through. The actual balloon is then hidden by the feathers. You can even do it with confetti. Oh, but obviously you've got to make sure that that balloon, that last balloon, is minuscule so it's not noticed. But when you're doing it with the bigger balloons, it's perfect. It works really, really well. Locks it into place and seals the neck as well.